Okay, Isaac, you show us your trick now. Oh, not bad, not bad. Just keep practicing.
Thanks. I love Magic Club.
Remember, believe in the magic, but also believe in yourself. That's the key.
Thanks, Preston. You're the best.
Happy to help.
I almost got it.
Oh, man. We better clean this up. Monty! Hey! And Victor? When did you join Magic Club?
Oh, when we realized it's a great place to impress girls.
Yes. Oh, now, observe the mysterious hypnotic arts. Keep your eye on the clock. You're getting sleepy. And now, when I say the word chicken, you'll turn into a chicken.
Nice! Look out! Don't pick it up! Oh, gee!
Come down from there. You're scaring people. Bad
Stop! What in the world? I leave for 2 minutes. And what is going on in here?
A nasty bee got loose.
Yeah, we're really sorry, Mr. Lunt.
Sorry isn't enough. I said you could use my classroom for your magic club, and you've turned it into a catastrophe. No more magic club in my classroom, period. And someone get rid of that bee.
No more Magic Club?
Go to sleep. Oh, oh gee.
What is all this mess in here? And where...
What?
You are sleeping on the job?
Hello? Hello, Principal?
Look at this room. Who knows what would have happened if I didn't wake you up?
I was asleep? I don't know how that could have happened.
Okay, well, pay attention because I'm going to tell you what's happening now. Pack your things. You're fired.
What?